red light blinking, snipers? Is there a red light blinking? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, let's move up, come on. I'm gonna see if I can see Chris from the tower. Right in the mask, you're dead. You're screwed, my friend. Are we both out? Did you say bang?
Yeah.
Alright. We both dead. I'm a hit. Don't shoot me. I'm a hit. I'm a hit. We're hit.
Right there?
We're no armbands or hit. Armbands. Get that way. You're dead, my friend. Go ahead, I'm not shooting you. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm going to my respawn. I have to move. In the warehouse. In the warehouse. I'm hit. Don't shoot me. I'm hit. I'm hit. I'm hit.
Blind fire. You have to go back to your spawn.
Are we all seriously sitting up here? No wonder there's no one over there.
I know.
Can we move, guys? Let's go.
That's stupid.
Hey, there's nobody there, guys. We're clear. Clear, clear, clear.
Some people go around. I'm going around. Screw them.
Alright, I'll go with you.
Because they're in the warehouse, too.
Get behind me.
They're...
Go!
Run.
Go! All of you! Go!
Go, everybody, go.
Go!
All right, we want to make sure.
No tower.
All right, move. Take the warehouse. Take this room on the other side. Go. Go. Go.
Okay.
All right, we got to take these guys. I said we move through that room and try and get around on their side.
Alright.
Because we're not going to do shit from here.
Hey, look.
Someone watch our fish.
Hey, you gotta let me. Moving on. You got my six?
Yeah.
You got my six?
Yeah, we did. No armband. No armband. What are you? Armband? Okay, no armband.
Yo, turn it off, dude. It's gonna give away our position. Chris! We don't need it. That's Chris. Oh, my bad.
Shot in the butt. Did you shoot that, Mitchell? Did you fire? I think that was friendly fire. I think that was one of these guys. I'm dead.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, oh.
What are you? No armbands? Okay.
Bang, 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 bang.
No, enemy. Kill him. I'm hit. I'm dead. Alright, this is good enough. Night and day. Night and day. Out, hit. I'm gonna walk around because I don't want to get shot. Oh, fell. Hit. I'm dead. I'm dead. Can I go through there without getting shot? Okay. I'm hit. Don't shoot me, please. Alright, there's an armband over here, near the base of the green tower. Never mind.